My name is DPB30083. My metric number is 10DPM22F1086. Today, I will explain about introduction, recommendation, and conclusion. Apple is an American computer and consumer electronic company famous for creating the iPhone, iPad, and Macintosh computer. Apple is one of the largest companies globally with a market cap of over $2 trillion. Apple has totally changed the game with the sleek design, user-friendly interface, and top-notch technology. They have created a whole ecosystem of apps, services, and devices that work together seamlessly. Apple's attention to detail and commitment to excellence have made them a major player in the tech industry. They are always pushing the boundaries and coming up with new exciting stuff.
My name is Nur Shahira binti Azman. My metric number is 10DPM22F1080. I will explain about question 2, corporate culture held by the organization, and question 3, 3 levels of corporate culture. Question 2, corporate culture held by the organization. The first one, Apple values diversity and inclusion, recognizing that a diverse workforce leads to better ideas and outcomes. The second one, Apple places a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction. They strive to create products that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. The third one, Apple's corporate culture emphasizes teamwork and collaboration. They believe that great ideas come from collaboration and encourage cross-functional collaboration across different teams and departments. Question 3, 3 levels of corporate culture. The first one is artifacts. Artifacts are the visible elements of Apple's culture. These include their sleek and minimalist product designs, such as iPhone, MacBook, and Apple Watch. The distinctive packaging and the iconic Apple logo are also part of these artifacts. The second one is values. Values represent the principles and beliefs that Apple upholds. Creativity is highly valued at Apple, encouraging employees to think differently and push boundaries. Customer satisfaction is a core value as Apple strives to provide innovative and user-friendly products. The third one is assumptions. Assumptions are the underlying beliefs and unconscious behaviors that shape Apple's culture. One assumption is the belief in the power of technology to transform lives and make a positive impact. Privacy and security are deeply ingrained assumptions as Apple prioritizes protecting user data and ensuring a safe digital environment. These 3 levels of corporate culture intertwine to create the Apple experience. The artifacts reflect Apple's commitment to design and innovation, while the values guide their decisions and actions. The underlying assumptions drive their focus on technology's potential, environmental responsibility, and user privacy.
Hello everyone, my name is Putri Shazah Hazika binti Muhammad Rizal and my metric number is 10DPM22F1045. Question 4. How corporate culture impact the organization? Corporate culture has a significant impact on Apple companies. It influences how employees work together, innovate, and contribute to the company's success. Apple culture is known for its emphasis on creativity, collaboration, and attention to detail. This culture fosters an environment where employees are encouraged to think differently, take risks, and push boundaries. It plays a crucial role in driving innovation. The strong corporate culture also helps in creating cohesive and unified workforce. It ignites everyone toward a shared vision and mission. Overall, Apple corporate culture is a key factor in shaping the company's success and its ability to consistently deliver exceptional product and experience to its customer.
My name is Eroni Carmila binti Muhammad Shobari. My metric number is 10DPM22F1033. I want to explain about characteristics of ethical leader and effective leader. Firstly, ethical leaders at Apple demonstrate a strong commitment to integrity and ethical behavior. They prioritize honestly, transparency, and fairness in their decision-making process. These leaders set a positive example for their teams and by adhering to a strong moral compass. Ethical leaders at Apple also prioritize social responsibility, ensuring that the company action align with ethical standards and contribute positively to society. They promote a culture of trust and accountability where employees feel value and respect. And then effective leadership at Apple. They have a clear vision and are able to communicate effectively to their teams. These leaders inspire and motivate their employees, fostering a sense of purpose and commitment. And then they are skilled in strategic thinking and decision making, able to navigate complex challenges and make sound judgment. For example, if they want to make a decision in career, they are wise to make the right decision and not make a mistake. In a context of Apple, the ideal leader embodies both ethical and effective leadership characteristics. They lead by example, exhibiting integrity and ethical behavior while also driving results and fostering a culture of innovation. For example, they prioritize the well-being and development of their employees, empowering them to contribute their best work. And then the last is Apple can continue to thrive and maintain its position as a global leader in tech industry.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Afrina Amira binti Azizi. My metric number is 10 DPM22F1018 from DPM3A. I want to explain about question 6, role of leadership in establishing the corporate culture. The role of leadership in establishing the corporate culture at Apple is instrumental in the shaping value, belief and behavior of the organization as a whole. Leadership at Apple play a crucial role in setting the tone and direction for the company's culture. The leaders, starting from the top executive, have the responsibility of defining and communicating the core values and principles that guide the action and decision of all employees. They serve as role models, embodying this value in their own behavior and interaction. One of the key aspects of leadership in establishing the corporate culture at Apple is the emphasis of innovation and creativity. Apple has a long-standing reputation for pushing boundaries and thinking outside the box. Leaders foster an environment that encourages employees to take risks, explore new ideas, and challenge the status quo. They promote a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where employees are empowered to experiment and innovate. Another important aspect of leadership in establishing the corporate culture at Apple is promoting diversity and inclusion. Apple values diversity in all its forms and believes that a diverse workforce leads to better innovation and decision making. Leaders actively promote diversity and inclusion initiatives, ensuring that all employees feel valued, respected, and included. They create opportunities for underrepresented groups and foster an inclusive culture where everyone's voice is heard. In summary, leadership at Apple plays a pivotal role in establishing the corporate culture. They set the tone, define the values, and promote the behavior that shape the organization culture. Through their action, leadership at Apple foster a culture of innovation, collaboration, excellence, and diversity. This strong and positive culture is vital for Apple's continued success and its ability to adapt to the ever-changing technology industry landscape.
In terms of business ethics, Apple has demonstrated a commitment to responsible practice. They prioritize the safety of their employees by implementing strict safety protocols. They also provide equal opportunity for all employees and adhere to minimum wage regulation. Additionally, Apple emphasizes the importance of following reasonable instruction from manager and creating a positive corporate culture. Overall, Apple set a strong example in terms of ethical responsibilities. For recommendation, Apple's one suggestion would be for them to continue their strong commitment and effort in maintaining ethical standards. They can be further enhance transparency by regularly updating and communicating their ethical practice to the public. Additionally, they can collaborate with other companies and organizations to share best practice and promote ethical behavior across the industry. It's important for Apple to stay vigilant and continuously improve their ethical policies and practice to ensure a positive impact on society and environment.